when for the third or fourth time I reviewed the data about how few black, minority, low-income students were making it to Purdue, I said, let's build our own high school.
He has learned here at PPHS not to be afraid of failure. He met no stranger, a true team player, and could get along with any and everyone. When I think of Keante, that's who I think of.
Doing the same thing every day like bores me. Sitting in a class and just listening to like a lecture for like an hour really gets me disinterested, but that's just like a part of high school. But here, that's not the only part. So like being at PPHS where every day you're probably doing like a different form of learning, which was like really cool.
You and your parents built a school, and how few people ever in their lives can say that.
It's all about supporting the students to reach their goals. And they understand that they belong here. They understand that they're needed here, they're supported here. And they know that coaches are for them.
Ben on the mound hitting 2, Kanan hitting 3 behind the plate, Keante hitting 4 at third.
Go. Baseball is one of those sports that like, it's a one-person sport, but like it's a very team-oriented sport, so you gotta have that chemistry.
Hey, get it there, that's you. Evan, you're going to first. Are you playing?
Hey, Jordan. Game on.
Everybody outside the dugout, come on.
Everybody's playing tonight. Everybody get some good reps in.
All right, come on, up top.
Break it down, Keante.
Poly on 3, family on 6. 1, 2, 3, Poly. 4, 5, 6, family. Let's go.
Everyone like makes mistakes, but like as long as you're working towards it and like you're making sure that you won't make the same mistake again, we understand that it's a mistake that anyone could have made that day. Not even like just in baseball, but like in general.
Hey, you're good, Jose.
Good eye.
Why?
Failure's essential.
We're good, come on. Hey, bring them home. Come on, let's go.
Everyone can learn from anyone's failure. So then you know that you're not perfect. There are things you can always improve on, but also it shows you what you need to improve on so you can get better at those things.
Good hit! Come on, Nolan, make it!
Just a student who really is all about involvement, all about inclusiveness. When I think of Keante, that's who I think of.
I didn't have Coach Vincent as a teacher until my junior year. I have that mentor / like friendship relationship with her. I saw you more of an auntie, right? And like, especially when I had asked for you to do my recommendation, because you were someone that could be honest about like whatever. So like, if I was like tripping in your class, you'd be like, hey, Keante, fix up.
I just remember you, like freshman year, being willing to help other people. Lots of students, I'm gonna go talk to Keante. Okay, great, that's awesome. And they felt comfortable. And I remember you would have like a little group, and you were like the teacher of this group of your peers.
Passion projects started last year because they wanted to give us more freedom to do what we wanted to do. I've never done clay in my life, but like it's something that I was curious about. Like I like working with my hands.
Oh, that first year, that whole first year is like an adventure.
The first class kind of represents like we're all like ready for whatever comes to us next because we've been through so many changes, be a part of the professional sector, but also still be high school students and still have that fun. So I think that's kind of giving me a new perspective on the word legacy for sure.
Wait, you're going to Purdue, right? Okay, what are you doing?
I'm going to the Polytechnic Institute for Aeronautical Engineering Technology. So I'm working on like planes and stuff.
Yeah.
Which is ridiculous.
This is so sick. My first time seeing an airplane, it confused me because it was huge. And it shouldn't have been able to like be in the air like that. So I was like, I want to make these.
All right, so I'll have you hop up first. There's one lever on the top that it's gonna rotate down towards you, and then the latch on the bottom of the door. And yeah, just feel free to climb into that left seat.
Oh man, I'm a little too big for all that. I can't do it. This is nuts. This is crazy. Actually, I am very terrified of heights. I wouldn't say never, but I would not like to fly one. We're two different sides of the same coin, I guess.
That is 100 low lead avgas.
And hopefully when you get your instructor license, you'll instruct me and we'll just have a good time.
Yeah. So this is our Airbus A320 simulator, exactly the cockpit.
I wanted to be an engineer in general. The machine part of it was always there, but I didn't have a focus. And then airplanes gave me that focus. When I found out that Purdue had that as a major, I knew that's where I needed to be at.
I think he's excited.
Yeah. I was more like a line, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Last practice, Rob. Make it the best. Stay with it. Stay with it.
Our chant that we do for baseball is poly on 3, family on 6.
Oh, way to catch.
And like that really like hit home on the very last game. Cause like we all started out as classmates, but like the friends I've made here and especially the people I played sports with, I consider brothers and family. So it's been a really cool experience being able to share these last couple years with them for sure.
All right, listen up. Listen up. Hey, I know that was last practice of the season, but that was probably the best practice we've had all year long. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, Coach, I got something to say. For me, Mike, and Nolan, this is our last year. We ain't get no second chances. I don't want anybody to think, oh, we'll get them next time, because some of us don't got it next time, all right? So let's go out there, get 1,000%. Let's get this W. I'm gonna cry tomorrow. I ain't gonna cry today. I'm gonna cry tomorrow. You can cry today.
Keante, break it down.
All right, y'all. Poly on 3, family on 6. On me, on me. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. You brought a sign?
This is senior day, baby.
Come on, Nolan. Let's get right.
It was really cool to come out this year and really be able to compete for the majority of our games. We had a rough start, but we had a lot of fun this year. I was really happy, really stoked. But I woke up this morning like oddly sad because our season's finally over with. We're the first senior class. Even if they have 100 more classes after us, like no one can take that away. I definitely just opened up a whole new chapter, and the book that I'm reading right now is definitely like in the last pages. So like that's a tough pill to swallow right now. Honestly.
Third baseman, number 25. Keante Jackson.
I'm kind of like on the fence now. Like at any moment I'll just kind of like get kicked over the fence and I'm kind of like in the real world. It's really weird to think about because as much as like I said I can't wait till I got older, now I'm older and like I want to go back to playing in grass and playing kickball. So like it's something really different that I hope I'm ready for, but I know that I'll have people to support me if I'm not.
Well, if you go look at the tape, you'll see me stop and choke up a couple of times, and you know, some things make you do that, but that graduation ceremony always meant more.
I just had to go on with the adventure, and whatever road I go down, I just had to be ready for it.